So were any of you nervous about getting your first Kybella treatment? I mean, I'm used to getting injectable treatments for other things, so I was pretty comfortable going into it.
I was a little nervous, but knowing my doctor was specially trained to administer Kybella helped me feel more at ease.
My doctor numbed me for the injections, and that helped. I've been insecure about the fullness under my chin since my teens, so I was ready to get started with treatment.
For me, it was quicker than I imagined. I mean, I was in the chair about 15 or 20 minutes.
I had some discomfort during treatment, but I still prefer injections over surgery.
What about after the treatment? Did you guys experience side effects? I had some swelling, but in general, I didn't have a lot of downtime.
Immediately after my first treatment, I drove home, I iced my chin a little. I went shopping the next day.
I was back in the gym the day after my first treatment, but I did experience some bruising under my chin. For me, the bruising was gone in a little more than a week.
I remember I had numbness here for about a month after each treatment. I noticed it when I was shaving.
I just had some swelling that I think I noticed more than others. It's nothing that was that unmanageable for me since my doctor told me to expect some swelling. And in general, each treatment that I had was easier than the last because I knew what to expect. I had been insecure about my double chin for so long. It's one of those things that's hereditary.
When did the fullness under your chin start to bother you?
I would say it was in my early 20s. I did this cooking show, and they would always shoot me from this camera angle that was so low, and it was just not cute. I mean, my chin fat was so obvious.
How's the cooking show going now?
Oh, the show's going really well. I can focus on the food and not my chin.
You mentioned earlier that you've gotten other aesthetic treatments. I'm guessing you were excited when you heard about Kybella?
Oh, yeah. I'm not willing to go under the knife for an aesthetic treatment, so the fact that Kybella is non-surgical and tailored spoke to me.
I know what you mean. So how many treatments did you end up having?
I had 4 treatments, and I'm so pleased with the results.
I had 6 treatments.
I had 3 treatments.
I had 6 treatments.
And that's the thing. We all have different chins. So treatment is different for each of us.
Yeah, and I couldn't be happier with my new chin profile.
Approved use and important safety information about Kybella. Kybella is a prescription medicine used in adults to improve the appearance and profile of moderate to severe fat below the chin, submental fat, also called double chin. It is not known if Kybella is safe and effective for use outside of the submental area or in children less than 18 years of age. You should not receive Kybella if you have an infection in the treatment area. Before receiving Kybella, tell your healthcare provider about all of your medical conditions, including if you have had or plan to have surgery on your face, neck, or chin, have had cosmetic treatments on your face, neck, or chin, have had or have medical conditions in or near the neck area, have had or have trouble swallowing, have bleeding problems, are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, it is not known if Kybella will harm your unborn baby, are breastfeeding or plan to breastfeed, it is not known if Kybella passes into your breast milk. Talk to your healthcare provider about the best way to feed your baby if you receive Kybella. Tell your healthcare provider about all the medicines you take, including prescription and over-the-counter medicines, vitamins, and herbal supplements. Especially tell your healthcare provider if you take a medicine that prevents the clotting of your blood, antiplatelet or anticoagulant medicine. Kybella can cause serious side effects, including nerve injury in the jaw, which can cause an uneven smile or facial muscle weakness or trouble swallowing. The most common side effects of Kybella include swelling, bruising, pain, numbness, redness, and areas of hardness in the treatment area. These are not all of the possible side effects of Kybella. Call your healthcare provider for medical advice about side effects. Please see full prescribing information on mykybella.com.